So apparently it worked. So I tried it. I just replaced the spares and didn't change the order. Just used the spares and try to start it. I tried to start it like 3 times. So the first 2 tries it cranked, but it cranked better than it did prior to me changing the spare. So I was like, I'll try again. So I start the car the second time. It did, and then it didn't start. So I pumped the fuel, and then did the third try. It went, and then it started. So I'm just gonna leave it running for a little while, but I'll show you what it looks like so far. So in here is everything. I still have 10A, 10A, 20A, 20A, 10A, 10A, 15A, 15A, 10A. It's just the same way it was. So I'll do this again. So it's 15, 15, 10, 10. 15, 15, 10, 10. So that's 15, 15, 10, 10, 10. 15, 15, 10, 10, 10. 20, 20, 10, 8, 10, 8. 15, 15, 10, 10, 10. 20, 20, 10, 8, 10, 8. And then this is the spare that I just... So these two are bad. Like, these 2 spares are the ones that I removed from here. I removed the 15A and this 10A. So those are the 2 ones that I put back in here. And I took the ones in here and replaced this 15A and this 10A. And then there's like extra ones. I'm not really sure what those are. But basically, I'm just gonna let the car run for a little while. Maybe drive it and then turn it off. And then probably take it to the mechanic to just have him look at it to make sure that everything's okay. And if I need to do anything else. But let me know what you think.